Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet flower. It's easy and fun. Let's get started. First you shall need some yarn and a crochet hook. You can use any color you like for your flower. You shall also need scissors and a yarn needle. Starting with a slip knot, let's begin by making a slip knot. Put the yarn over your fingers and make a loop. Pull the yarn through the loop and tighten it on the hook. Let's begin by making a slip knot. Now make chain 5 stitches. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. Do this 5 times. To form a ring, join the last chain stitches to the first with a slip stitch. This makes a small circle. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Now make double crochet. As there you have it. Sew the leaves to the back of the flower with your needle. You can add leaves if you want. Chain 5, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then single crochet, half double crochet and slip stitch in each chain. In the next slip stitches, chain 3, make 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and slip stitches. Repeat this pattern around the circle to make the petals. After the last petal, slip stitches into the base of the first petal. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail. Pull the yarn through to finish. Use a yarn needle to weave in the loose ends at the back of the flower. This makes it look neat. You can add leaves if you want. Slip stitches into the second chain from the hook. Then single crochet, half double crochet and slip stitches into the each chain. Sew the leaves to the back of the flower with your yarn needles. And there you have it, a beautiful crochet flower. You can make more and use them as decorations or gifts. Try different colors and sizes. Have fun and keep practicing. Thanks for watching.